Okay, hello. I'm going to show you how to create a high-resolution JPEG from a PowerPoint slide. So first, what you want to do is, once you have your figure on your PowerPoint slide, you want to fill the slide with it as much as you can, and then click in PowerPoint File, Export. And then you want to save it as a JPEG in the file format. And we're just saving the current slide. And you can leave the width and the height alone. Hit export. And this went to my desktop. So then we find our new JPEG in the desktop and open it with Photoshop. And here it is. Now, we just want to make sure it's high resolution. The way you do that is you go to the Image menu, click on Image Size, and you want to make sure that Resample is checked. And under Resolution, you put 300 and hit OK. Now, I'm going to hit Command minus to make this a little smaller so I can see it. And there's some extra room on this side and this side I'd like to get rid of. So I'm going to hit the crop icon. And here under the dimensions options, I want it to say ratio. And if there happen to be any numbers here, I would just hit clear to make sure there's no numbers in here. And that will allow us to move each side of the crop box wherever we would like it. They will move freely, and then hit crop, and there we have it. And then just hit save.